Hi, I'm Nass and welcome to Nass Crypto, the biggest crypto channel in the universe. And today we have a new crypto project to introduce. So guys, before we start, I must warn you, I'm not a professional analyst or an economic expert. I'm just sharing with you my experience and conviction. So before investing in any project that you see in my channel, do your own research, and every decision you make, you are responsible for it, wherever it succeeds or fails. So guys, follow me on all my social media to stay updated, and see you after this intro.
Welcome back to Nass Crypto. In this exciting video here today, I'm going to show you how to 10x your crypto in 2025 with Acet's swap to Act. So what if I told you by simply swapping your Acet tokens, you could lock in a price at $0.06 and get a guaranteed buyback at 0.33 in just over a year. That's over a 5x return for free. Welcome to Acet Swap to Act and Acet Founders Buyback campaign. Let me walk you through everything step by step. But quickly, before we do get any further, as always, remember the usual disclaimer that nothing in today's video should be taken as financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, and you should treat this strictly for educational purposes. And of course, you can find all of the links down below in the description. So Acet.finance is changing the game. It's a zero supply protocol, meaning every Act token in circulation comes from user swaps, and every token bought back gets permanently burned. No inflation, just value compression here. And we can see a very nice chart here and very, very high volume. So let's take a look at a few posts from their socials. Strong bullish vibes. 88% of CoinMarketCap's users believe in Act's upward momentum here. We can see an 88% sentiment bullish, which is very, very big. We can actually see on a 4-hour chart, actually looking pretty strong. Additionally here, it's a deal still worth it. Simply swap your tokens for Act today and get a 3% extra Act with every exchange. Become part of our Swap Your Coins to Acet. Get 3% more Acet coins campaign. Don't miss out and grab this golden opportunity before it is gone. So again, swap now. We'll be getting into all of that very, very shortly. We can also see that the Act token outperformed Bitcoin in growth potential here. We can see in the last 90 days, it has surged over 85% compared to Bitcoin's 8.31%, meaning the market cap has grown over 1,600% in just 1 year, reflecting the expanding holder base and growing investor confidence. So we can see, yeah, very big 90-day and 360-day market cap growth. And finally, people from 19 countries worldwide are journeying together toward a new life of Acet, with total assets swapped now surpassing 2.83 million. So swap for your future and swap to the Act token. So there's been some various news articles as well. We can see here this first one from Cointelegraph. This is the most influential person in blockchain and crypto 2025. And we can see here the details regarding the Acet token. So Akmi Morat is the founder of a digital currency with over 159,000 holders and a trading volume of over $469 million here. And again, that's very big receiving this award, showing that Act is the people. And this is going to be the future. We also have another post here on the Khaleej Times. Act Morat, again, the most influential person in blockchain and crypto at the MEBA Awards here from the judging panel. And again, this is the most influential person in blockchain and crypto, which is a huge feat, showing the potential here for Acet. So now let's dive into how all of this works here. So step one, you can swap any crypto to the Act token with a 3% bonus. So there is a link down below. This is the Acet.finance swapped Act page here. So first you will need to connect your wallet. After agreeing the terms and conditions here, we can see you can use MetaMask, Trust Wallet or Wallet Connect. and you'll need to make sure you are on the BNB Smart Chain. So here we can connect my wallet on the BNB smart chain. Then here we can see swap your coins to Acet. Select what coin you would like and specify the destination address to receive your ACT tokens. So here we can see you can swap from BNB, Ethereum, USDT, USDC, or any other major cryptocurrency. Let's say, for example, we are swapping 1 BNB here, so roughly around $640. So we can see currently at 6 cents per ACT, we would get 10,931 tokens. However, with that 3% bonus here, we can see you'd be getting that bonus of 327 ACT tokens, roughly around $20 on this transaction. So we can see here the amount of the 3% ACT received will be based on the rate at the time of the transaction. So then you would submit your wallet address here and then click to swap now. After doing so here, you will see the processing and you will simply have to just approve the transaction here and you see confirm the swap inside your wallet. So once you have done step 1, you want to move over to step 2, which is joining the Founders Buyback program. So there's another link in the description here. This is Acet Finance/buyback ACT to participate in the program. So here we can see buyback ACT by Acet founder. We have 700 million tokens up to 0.33 per ACT tokens. So here we can see you can sell your ACT to get USDT back. You can sell your ACT Acet tokens at the price you want. There's no need to guess and wait. Choose the price and sell your ACT now. So we can see the different pools here. First off, with the best offer, we can see there's a total buyback amount here, and you can sell your ACT tokens at 33 cents here. So this is a 390-day buyback pool. You can of course see the other ones. So there's a 360 pool at 23 cents, 180-day pool at 15 cents, so on and so forth. So this of course is the best offer right now. So if we simply click here to sell your tokens, there is a 100 token minimum. So depending on your amount, for example here, if you had 100 tokens at that price, that would be getting you 33 USDT, and you simply just accept the terms and conditions and sell your token. And then once you have done that, you have confirmed and staked. So you would receive that in 390 days and you are committed to the buyback pool. So doing a quick calculation here, we can see, of course, our initial BNB. This was receive us 10,869 ACT tokens. If we then take a look at that buyback rate of 33 cents per token, that would be $3,586 after that lock duration of 190 days, just from that one BNB investment. So if we minus the initial here of around $646, you are looking at a profit of just under $3,000 here. And in terms of an ROI perspective, you're looking at a 450% plus return in those 390 days here. So this simple hold strategy with no trading, no guesswork, the protocol itself buys back your tokens at higher price. And here we can see some claim and contract history. So this isn't like a staking APY that inflates token supply. With Acet, every token buyback is locked and automatically by the smart contract, which is the real deflationary decentralized economics in action. So you benefit from the price gain at starting of $0.06, so 6 cents, all the way up to that 33 cents here. You also get that 3% bonus ACT tokens on entry, and the token scarcity increasing as others buy and lock. So are you ready to turn your crypto into real long-term profit? Go to Acet Finance, follow the steps I just showed you, and join the Founders Buyback campaign. Let your money work while others speculate. Drop a comment below if you've joined and subscribe for my next update on Acet. ACT is tracking buybacks in real time on chain. It's transparent, deflationary, and is built for serious believers in DeFi. So check the links down below. I hope you have enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.